guys, for you that don't know me or my channel, my name is Dan Mixich, and me and my brother are actually doing a competition on YouTube for most subscribers and likes. And today I'm just going to be showing you my puppy. She's about 5 months old. She's a bull mastiff cross with neo mastiff and a bit of pit bull in her. She looks more of a pit bull than any other breed. And yeah, so over here we have her first kennel. It's a bit small for her, and usually we don't put her over here because she doesn't like it over here. She's like, I only put this kennel over here about 2 days ago. I'm sorry about the wind if it's pretty windy because we live up on a hill. So yeah, this is my puppy, 5 months old, nearly 5 months old. She's pretty big. Yeah, it's a bit hard for her to get in that kennel. It's pretty tidy in there, but it's small. Get out. Sit. Sit down. Good girl. Yeah. And I'll actually take her off the chain so you can see her run around a bit. This is her, and this is my place. I'll take you guys over to her other kennel. She's actually really fast too. Over here is her second kennel. I don't really like it because it's not really a good kennel. Next time I do some work, I'm gonna try and go up to Dargaville, get some money, build her a new one. The blanket is over there drying because it's wet. That's it. Okay. See you guys.